Everybody always thinks you gotta have some money to get out there and get to boating, but the reality is you don't. There's plenty of ways to get out there in the water. They're pretty inexpensive. Now, this is not my favorite way, but it'll definitely get the job done and get you a workout. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79. And our crew is being towed in. But gotta love this tow point. It's just somebody holding a line. Probably not the best method. So let's see how our crew decides they're going to approach this one. Oh, our guy that's holding the line just jumped in. He's in the water. So he's going to try and swim this boat to the dock. Man, this is a tough one. Not as easily said as done, especially towing a line like this, but let's see if our guy makes it. I mean, the boat's definitely starting to head that direction at least. And I haven't seen him come up. I mean, he freaking went full-on merman, dove under the water. And I still don't see him over there at this time. We'll get shot blocked by the tow vessel here at the end. And oh, there he is. He's on the dock. My man makes it over there. Life will probably be a little easier from this point. Trying to climb up. He doesn't know what to do with the line. He's struggling with it. Puts it in his mouth. Oh, man. And here we go. He's going to have to use that strength to try and pull him over now. But this will get the job done. Get these guys over here and hopefully get them out of here. And so our crew's been sitting here for a few minutes, waiting to make approach, and it looks like they're finally ready. And here we go. And no, we're gonna back out of that one. I don't know why he's going to that side though. There's somebody there. The other side's the open side. Unless he just missed that bad. I guess that's not impossible. Because his man's pointing over here to the other dock as well. I think he's missing. I don't think he can get it over there. He just can't quite figure it out. So here we go. He's got a little bit of a turn and a pivot going on now. And making a more committed effort towards 6. Alright, starboard engine reverse, bro. Let's get you back around. This is typically the sign. And when I say the sign, when I see somebody with twin motors like this, and they're doing a lot of steering, like we see right here, they're typically in trouble. That's how we can typically tell something's not going to be quite right. For those of you who've never owned a twin engine boat, especially around the dock, you really don't do a lot of steering. Everything's power on the throttles for the most part. You might make an initial turn toward the dock, and most of us won't even do that. We're just going to pivot using the motors. But when you see a lot of steering going on, you know that they're not in full control of that craft. It does take a little time to learn, though. So, I mean, I'm sure my man will get it here at some point, but here we go. What is this, attempt 3 now, I believe? And that current's caught him a little bit. Fortunately for him, it's not blowing a lot today, or I think he'd be in real trouble. But he's gotten himself a little bit close to 7, and he's having a real tough time trying to get it back over. That's the wrong way, bro. And again, with the steering of the wheel, oh, he's gonna struggle, man. The guys in the bow are like trying to give him a little bit of instruction. They're like, bro, yeah, just that dock. There you go. Right there. Easy enough. And Cap's like, yeah, bro, you come do it. So Cap's gonna make another turn at this. Ow. We're gonna get it this time. They've got the bow heading in the right direction. And we might get over here. It took multiple attempts. My man finally gonna get it on the dock. It took a few minutes, but team got it done. Oh, it's getting dark here at 79th, and the shenanigans begin when the sun starts to go down. And our girl, I imagine, saw the camera. Yep, here we go. No music, nothing, just chilling, showing off for the camera. Oh, 79th Street is a beast unto its own, and the later it gets, the wilder it gets. We've got a couple episodes coming up here in the near future that'll be more at night, and you guys will see. It's unbelievable because most boat ramps at night kind of slow down. 79th Street gets off the chain. It is insane how busy this ramp is after dark. And I don't experience that at any other ramp, really. Most ramps, by the time it hits dark, things kind of calm down. No, 79th Street will have a line backed up in the dark of people waiting to get on this ramp. It's absolutely nuts. Kind of like now, you can tell the sun's going down and things are starting to back up compared to where they were an hour ago. But also the people that come in as we get later, things obviously get a little wilder. One of the reasons you probably don't see a lot of what happens at 79 after dark, it's because YouTube won't let us play it. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.